Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through how to add a work order or task under an existing ticket in FM Dashboard. To begin, navigate to the Tickets tab and open the ticket you would like to work with. Once you're on the ticket page, select the Tasks and Work Orders tab. Click the appropriate button based on what you need to create. The work order creation process is the same as creating a standard work order. Information from the ticket, such as the trade, will automatically populate where applicable to help streamline the process. Complete the required fields and create the work order or task. As work order and tasks are completed, they will appear within the ticket for tracking and reference. Once all the related work orders and tasks have been completed, simply click the Result button. This will close and complete the ticket. This workflow helps keep all related work order organized under a single ticket while providing a clear path from issue creation to resolution.